Recording in progress.
We were discussing about the lipids and fats. But what is the function of fats? What I was telling you about it.
Fat.
Yeah.
You only told me about protein and what's it called?
Yeah,
Protein
I was
and
quoting an example of fasting, like we fast. So how we get
yeah,
energy
carbs. Yeah,
throughout the day? We are fasting, and
by
how we
carbs,
get by
carbohydrates.
carbohydrates provide us instant energy on that moment. But how we survive the whole day till Maghrib
Uh,
during fasting?
I'm not sure. Is
Just
it
like
because of
if
fat?
yes, because your body needs two pieces of bread, okay, two bread slices in the suhoor time, okay, but you have taken four, okay, you have taken four. So what will happen? You have taken four, the two are extra, right? Two are extra for your body. So these two extra slices, when they will be converted into the useful energy, that energy will be stored, okay. What I am saying is that for your body at the suhoor time, only two bread slices were enough. Okay, they would have provided you instant energy at that time. Okay, but you have taken four slices of the bread in the suhoor time because there is a long day and Maghrib time comes after 15 or 16 hours. Okay, and you are fasting. So for that purpose, you have taken extra meal. So that extra meal, that extra food, when it converted into energy, that energy will be stored. Okay, that energy will be stored in the form of fats. Okay, those fats are known as lipids. And these lipids provide us energy throughout the day. Okay, these lipids provide us
Lip-
energy
so
throughout
lipids
the
is
day.
basically
Yeah, sorry.
like fats.
Yeah, lipids. The second name of lipid is also known as fats. And these are
Okay.
same. These are at this stage you can say these are same. Okay. So what I'm saying, what is the function of lipids? They give us energy. They store energy. Okay, and they give us energy
Yeah.
when you don't have any other source of energy. Okay.
Yeah.
So what can I write? I can write that your body
Mm-hmm.
stores extra energy in the form of fat.
Lipids.
Yeah, fat or
Okay.
lipid or whatever you can say. Not whatever, but fat or
Yeah.
lipid. Okay. So when throughout the day when food is not available, when food is not available, then what will happen? Your body will start to
Yeah.
take energy from
The fats.
yeah, will use
Yeah.
energy that is stored in the form of fats.
Fats.
Okay,
Yes.
are you clear with this?
Yes.
You know why the whales and polar bears have a thick layer of fat?
No.
Any idea? You know where polar bears live?
Like
Where do whales live? Hmm.
polar bear lives like in Antarctica and
Yeah,
or
yeah.
like
They
near
do.
Arctics.
Yeah, so it means there is too much cold, right?
Yes.
So these fats, the fats, they provide them. Firstly, they provide them insulation. Okay, they keep their body warm. Okay,
Mhm.
they keep their body warm. Okay, they don't have sweaters like us. They don't take leather jackets or any other thing. So their
Mhm.
body is providing them insulation. How their body is providing them insulation? Their body have a thick layer of fat. Okay, they have a thick layer of fat. This fatty
Yes.
layer keeps their body warm. That's why the fatty people they don't feel much cold as compared to a thin person. Just like if you compare yourself or myself with any other person who is a fatty person, so you can easily compare that person, he don't feel exactly the same amount of cold as you or me will feel. Why? Because we are thin, our skin is thin, we have less fatty layer, so we feel more cold. Okay, but the
Mm-hmm.
people who are fatty people, their body have more fat, so that fat keep their body warm. Okay, that's why they feel less cold. Okay, the fats keep
Yeah.
their body warm. That's why they don't feel much cold. And second
Yes.
function, why polar bears have a thick layer of fat? You know, they don't have the enough reservoir of food. They
Mm-hmm.
take food. They don't take food on frequent basis. Okay, they have chances of
Just
taking
you want.
food. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just yeah.
Recording in progress.
About the, yeah, lipids, how they help the polar bears. Okay, how this
The
fatty
lipids and
layer helps them.
fats.
Yeah. So this fatty layer helps the polar bears to keep them warm, okay, as well as it provides them energy for long period of time, okay. To provide them, there is long term
Mm-hmm.
energy storage, okay, right.
Mm-hmm.
As well as, you know, the most important, one of the most important functions of the lipids is that
Yes.
the lipids protect the organs, okay. Lipids, they are not only present in the polar bear, they are present in all the living organisms. They are present in our body as well. And they surround our organs, okay? They surround our kidneys. There are adipose tissue layer above the in our body. So these fats, they protect our organs, okay? This is another important function of the lipids, right? And you know, one of the important function we have discussed, that, you know, the cell membrane.
Yes.
How, what is the composition of cell membrane? Cell membrane is made up of lipid bilayer, okay. So that's why lipids are important,
Mm-hmm.
okay. They are important for all the living beings. The most important function is that they keep
Yeah.
their body, the body warm, as well as the most important thing is that during fasting, if someone asks you how we get energy during fasting, so you must know, you must tell them that we store extra energy in the form of fats, and while fasting, those fats, we get energy from those fats, okay. Throughout the day, those fats provide us energy, right? Are you clear with this?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we can end this here. Okay. And